Now, I would like to invite Professor Sarabjit Kaur, the professor in charge and head of our institution, Law Center 1, Faculty of Law, University of Delhi, and she is also patron chief of this program. I request her to, share a few words about, her point of view of environment protection and the green initiatives that we have taken in Law Center 1. And after that, I request all the participants here to be with us in jointly thinking about environment. I will guide you through with certain questions. We are going to discuss that in the larger context. I will come out with that after Madam speaks. I request Professor Sarabjit Kaur. Over to you.
First of all, I would like to share, it gives me immense pleasure to inform you all that Law Center 1 is celebrating its 50 years of excellence this year, and today's webinar is an integral part of our year-long celebrations. The Supreme Court has held that right to life under Article 21 of the Constitution includes right to clean environment. And from this right, there flows a basic obligation to keep our surroundings clean. The fundamental duty to protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, rivers, and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures is enshrined in our Constitution. As mentioned by Professor Purushottam Reddy, the recent death of a pregnant wild elephant in Kerala after she was fed cracker-filled pineapple, which exploded in her mouth, makes us realize that the fundamental duty to have compassion for living creatures is not realized. It reminds us of another news which came up a couple of months back, where a baby rhino was trying to wake her mother up, who was killed by poachers for her horn. Such incidents are a testimony to barbaric treatment which is meted out to voiceless animals in our country. Along with stringent action under the law in all such cases, a simultaneous effort is required to be made at two separate levels. First, by the legislature to strengthen environmental laws, and second, by the academic community to educate the young generation of the country about their fundamental duty, most importantly, to have compassion with other living creatures. A lot is to be done by the educational institutions, including schools, colleges, departments, to teach students about protection and improvement of nature, and specifically to guide them on the path of compassion for living creatures. We at Law Center 1 educate our students to be mindful of their duty to protect and conserve our environment. We believe that it's our small initiatives which will help us attain the larger objective of environmental protection. In this context, and in order to show our commitment towards our Mother Earth, we have taken many eco-friendly decisions in Law Center 1, like banning the use of disposable plastic water bottles and glasses during various programs organized in our center. We conduct plantation drives, poster making competitions, street plays, outreach programs to spread awareness regarding environmental protection amongst our students and through them to sensitize the common people. We organize international and national conferences, seminars, and lectures on environment issues to enhance the knowledge of our students in the field of environmental law. We are determined to continue with our efforts in the post-COVID times with the reopening of the campus. Even in this pandemic situation, we are guided by the objective to protect and conserve our environment. And today's webinar is the third one in the series of webinars on environmental issues conducted during COVID-19 pandemic. Today's webinar marks the beginning of new journey of association between our department and the Council for Green Revolution, Hyderabad, for which we are thankful to Professor K. Purushottam Reddy, environmentalist and former head of Political Science Department, Osmania University, and Shrimati Leela Lakshma Reddy, President, Council for Green Revolution. On behalf of Law Center 1 Faculty of Law, University of Delhi, I would like to express my gratitude to Professor Reddy and Shrimati Leela Reddy for their kind support. And we will continue to be in touch and organize programs, take many great initiatives together. Thank you, Push.
Thank you very much, Professor Sarabjit, for sharing these, initiatives.